Prime Minister Narendra Modi today distributed about 71,000 appointment letters to newly inducted recruits through video conferencing. Hectic players continue to select a new Chief Minister for Karnataka. Two front-runners for Chief Minister's post, Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivakumar, are in the national capital for further consultations. The Central Bureau of Investigation conducting searches at RJD Rajya Sabha MP Prem Chand Gupta's Delhi residence and RJD MLA Kiran Devi's Patna residence in connection with the land for job scam. The 76th Cannes Film Festival will begin in France today. Minister of State for Information and Broadcasting Dr. L. Murugan will lead the Indian delegations at the 12th-day event. Delhi NCR was hit by a dust storm today, which reduced visible and worsened the air quality index.